help you prepare for the exam. Here are some popular ones. Here are the top IELTS practice test apps which you can use at home and download through mobile Play Store and practice at home. IELTS Prep app by British Council. This app offers a wide range of practice materials, including sample questions, interactive activities, and mock tests. It covers all 4 sections of the exam: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. It's good app for reading something in English, speaking something in English, writing something in English. Good vocabulary for understanding and learning exercises and other essays to train students how the student should respond in every situation or matter. IELTS Prep app by IDP Education. Similar to the British Council app, this one provides comprehensive study materials, practice tests, and tips for each section of the IELTS exam. It also offers scoring and performance tracking features. Magoosh IELTS Prep. Magoosh is known for its high-quality test prep materials, and their IELTS app is no exception. It offers video lessons, practice questions, flashcards, and study schedules to help you prepare effectively. IELTS Skills Complete, developed by Cambridge University Press. This app focuses on improving your listening, reading, writing, and speaking skills through interactive exercises and sample tests. It also provides instant feedback on your performance. IELTS Word Power, also developed by British Council. This app helps you expand your vocabulary by offering various exercises and games focused on IELTS level words and phrases. IELTS Writing Assistant. This app specifically targets the writing section of the IELTS exam, providing tips, sample essays, and interactive exercises to enhance your writing skills and boost your score. Remember to explore each app to see which one aligns best with your learning style and preferences. Additionally, it's important to complement your app-based study with other resources such as practice books, online courses, and speaking practice with a language partner or tutor.